Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to host a Minecraft server on your PC. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first off, go ahead and open up your favorite browser and just type in Minecraft server. Okay? Hit on enter. Now go ahead and click on the ones from Minecraft itself and then just wait for it to load. And once it loads, click on download Minecraft right here or Minecraft server. Save it wherever you want. Hit on save. Okay, and once that's done, go ahead and find Java Development Kit or Java SE Development Kit. Go ahead and click on the ones from Oracle. Wait for it to load. Once it loads, okay, go ahead and scroll all the way down until you find these tabs. Go ahead and select Windows or your operating system and just click on the installer right here. Download it. I'm not going to do it again because I already have it, as you can see. So once you have the two downloaded, you can close the browser, run the JDK first, okay? Double click on it, hit on yes, and just follow simple prompts, okay? As you can see here, it says to reinstall because I already installed it. But just follow simple prompts, and once done, you'll have the server jar. New folder, create one, right click on a blank space, click on folder. Just name it, server 2026, okay? Now move it right here, double click on your server folder. Now double click on the server executable jar. So double click, it will automatically create its own folder. Okay, make sure that you keep this folder right here. Now once that's done, once it's created its own files, here we have EULA, double click on it. Now instead of false, make it true. Okay, change this one to, true. And then once that's done, click on File, Save. Close this one, and then double click on Server once more, and just wait for it to pop up, okay? Do not close this one if you want to play the game. Now, if you want to change some server settings, you can just go ahead and type down OP, and then your username. Okay, hit on Enter, and it will be right here. The server operator would be paid for money. Okay, so go ahead and open up your launcher and launch any Java game you have in here. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and launch the latest release or regular release without mods. Wait for it to load right here. And then once it loads or once the game loads, go ahead over to multiplayer, add a server, give it a name, my server or whatever you want. And then the server address would be localhost, okay? Make sure that it is localhost right here and hit on done. Here we have it. Just click on play. Wait for it to load. As you can see, it is running right here. Okay? You can go ahead and test your server out if everything is working. And then once that's done, to invite your friends, you have to what? Port forward, okay? Port forwarding is your best friend right here. Now, if you don't know how to port forward, you can go ahead and check videos online on how to port forward and invite your friends. But that's just basically it. That is how you host a server or Minecraft server on PC. I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.